trying to die, son?
Having some trouble?
You could say that. Who are you, anyway? You're not from around these parts.
My name's Woods. I'm with US Military Science Division.
The last American I knew tried to kill me.
Agent Lugosi. He's been compromised, I assume?
What have you dirty Americans been up to now, eh? Using Wales as a testing ground for super soldiers?
Sadly, no. A meteor's landed at this village, and I'm pretty sure it's already started to infect people.
What do you mean infected?
We're close to the crash site.
What do you mean infected?
23 hours ago that thing landed here, and it's already started to infect people. Now, if you don't take me to that crash site immediately, you can kiss goodbye to Wales.
You know how to use a gun? You going to tell me what's going on, boy? Or are we just going to keep on playing I Spy?
I don't think you understand the gravitas of the situation.
I was at Sword Beach in Normandy. I'm sure I can handle a few little green men.
This is just the beginning. We need to stop this before it results in a war.
A war?
Both World War I and World War II were a direct result of a meteor landing on Earth and creating these bloodthirsty creatures.
But these creatures didn't look like humans. I mean, I served in World War II, and there was no creature from the Black Lagoon shooting no ray guns at me.
The humanoid is only the first part of the process. Once they transform, they'll kill. But after enough death, they'll enter a cocoon state for an hour and emerge as an exact replica of their former selves.
What? That's bullshit. All I know is those little green assholes who killed my deputy are going down.
What are you doing?
We're nearly there. We should get out and just walk the rest of the way. Don't shoot yourself in the face.
What about the rifles?
These things move too quick. By the time you've got the rifle up, they'll be eating your face. Now let's go. This is it. That's your guy right there.
That bush-like thing?
Yeah, that's him, but what's he doing?
He's taking the people he's killed and replicating them.
So you mean he's bringing them back to life?
They're not the same people. These are humanoid alien creatures. What are you doing it for?
Oh, he's alive!
That might not be him.
It's worth a shot.
I think we're far enough. Those bullets did nothing.
Yeah, they did nothing to him earlier either.
You knew the bullets would do nothing to him, and yet you still ran headfirst into that situation.
I thought my aiming was off last time.
Did you shoot him before he transformed?
I don't think so.
What could it be? Why is this humanoid creation immune to bullet fire? The Nazis tried to make their soldiers invincible, but they failed.
How far back does this go? Tell me everything you know.
Everything? This is information that you'd regret to find out.
Let me be the judge of that.
Humans and aliens have always been at war, since the invention of the first plane. Leonardo da Vinci knew that. That's why one of his original paintings was a human reaching out and touching an alien race. They tried in the First World War, they tried again in the Second. Basically, any conflict, any corrupt politician is one of these alien humanoid replicas. Hitler was a humanoid, and every greedy, money-hungry human that you ever meet is with no doubt an alien replica spy.
Why haven't you told anybody about this?
Because people hate each other because of their skin colour, because of their creed. Giving people another reason to hate each other and kill each other is never a good idea.
So you cover it up, fight the battle secretly.
Exactly. Atlantis existed, you know? But the humans flooded it. It was overrun with humanoids.
How are we going to kill them?
They die like normal humans, but When you shot at Lugosi whilst he was transforming, he must have been similar to with the bullets.
What's wrong? Are you okay? Doctor? Doctor!
I'm okay.
What's wrong with you?
I'm turning into one of them.
But you're not convulsing like the others.
They were affected by the meteor. I was only infected by a carrier.
How are we gonna stop them?
We need to blow the meteor. And we need to kill Lugosi.
I've got some TNT in the back of my car. Will that destroy the meteor?
That should be fine.
But what about Lugosi?
I'll take care of Lugosi.